What's up everybody, Tanya here from My Crafty Garage. I hope you guys are all having a fantastic Valentine's Day weekend full of hugs and kisses. I'm here today with another video. In this video we are going to tackle some tiered tray stands. I've been seeing these all over the place and I decided, of course, I'm going to try it out. I started off by going to my local Dollar Tree and thrift store where I purchased 2 candlestick holders, 2 cake pans, and a large decorative plate. I'm also going to be using some E6000 glue and my hot glue gun. Okay, so I took my candlestick holder and I placed it in the middle of my first tier, which will be the largest tier. And I used some E6000 glue and I lined the bottom of the candlestick holder with it. If you are using E6000 glue, please be careful as it comes out of the tubing quite quickly and it gets messy quick. I also used some hot glue, just dabbed it in a few areas just to ensure that while I'm working on this project, it's not moving anywhere. But I do suggest that when using E6000 glue that you let it dry overnight. You will get the best results that way. Okay, and this is what you should have once everything is dry. And now it's time to paint. You can use any paint you like and any brush you like. It just depends on the texture you want to get. Ladies, please put on those gloves if you want your nails to stay fresh. I always seem to forget and remember at the last minute. I went with an antique white. As you know, I like the farmhouse look. So that's what I'm going with in this one. You can paint it whatever color you'd like and use any brush you like. Again, it just depends on the texture you are trying to achieve. Okay, so once everything has been painted and dried, this is what it should look like. I totally love it. And here are just some ideas of how I went ahead to decorate my tiered stand. I love it. You could decorate it for any occasion, Valentine's, Easter, or just every day. Some florals, little sayings. It looks great. It doesn't matter as long as you put your heart into it. All right, everybody, it has come to an end. Happy Valentine's Day weekend to all of you. Thank you for watching. I'd like to give a little shout out to my boy Anthony, aka the G-Man. Thank you for watching. And if you out there would like a shout out, please leave a comment below. Let us know what you think about the channel, our videos, and if you have suggestions, we welcome those too. And also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay connected. Until next time, see you later.